Hi viewers, welcome to GMD Maths. In this video, we are going to see 10th Samachir Maths Algebra, 3rd chapter. In that, first we are going to see that system of linear equations in 3 variables. Okay, so system of 3 linear equations in 3 variables. Already in the earlier class, we have studied the simultaneous linear equations, solving simultaneous linear equations. First, you should know about that. Just we can recall that simultaneous linear equation. It should be in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. That is, it is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here we are going to solve the two linear equations so that a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the general form of simultaneous linear equations where the coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2 and the constant c1, c2 are real numbers, and any one of this a1, a2, b1, b2 should not be equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition what we have learned in 9th standard. Okay, so solving here the variables, what are the variables are used in this two equation? One variable is x, another one variable is y. X and y variables are used there. Okay, how we have solved in the two equations? Using the two method we have solved. One is elimination method, another one is substitution method. Using these two we have solved that simultaneous equations. Okay, linear equations. Okay, now in this standard, 10th standard, we are going to study about the system of linear equations in 3 variables. Okay, 3 variable linear equations in 3 variables. General form is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, where a, b, c and d are real numbers and any one of a, b, c are non-zero. Okay, that is the form of linear equation in 3 variable. Okay, then here we are going to see system of linear equations in 3 variables, how to solve it. Okay, so the general form of the system of linear equation 3 variable is a1x, because we have 3 equations, so to identify it we have to put a1, a2, a3 like the same b1, b2, b3, c1, c2. Okay, so the first equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3z plus d3 equal to 0. These 3 are general form of system of linear equations in 3 variables. How we are going to solve? Here 3 variables are there. So here the rules, here they have given the rules to solve the system of linear equations. Okay, we are using 3 variables. The first one is eliminate any one of the variable from any pair of the given 3 equation. Any one variable you can eliminate it. Okay, using this elimination method. Okay, then after that second one is eliminate the same variable from another pair. Using the another pair, we have to eliminate the same variable. So now we have the two equation, linear equation having the same variable. Okay, so after that it will be very easy because we have learned already to solve the two linear equations using elimination method in the earlier class. So using that we have to solve it using elimination method. After solving, we can able to get the value of the variables, 2 variables. Then rest only 1 variable is there. The remaining variable is then found by substituting any one of the given equation. We have to substitute what we have found the value of the variable. You have to substitute those 2 values in any 3 given equation. After that, you can able to get the third value of the variable. Like this way, you have to solve. We are going to solve the system of linear equations. The first question. Solve x plus y plus z equal to 5 and 2x minus y plus z equal to 9, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. Okay, 3 linear equations with 3 variables. Variables here x, y and z. These 3 are variables. So 3 linear equations with 3 variables are given, 3 equations. So we have to find out the value of the variables. Okay, so for that see the first two equation. Here see that y term, the second term it is here plus y and it is minus y. So while we add these two equation, automatically this variable y will eliminate. So that we have to add the first two equation. Here you have to write the first equation here. Below that you have to write the second equation. Here we are going to add. So plus y and minus y will be cancelled, and here the coefficient of x is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3x, and here 1z plus 1z is 2z. So 3x plus 2z equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. So we have another one equation. So after 3 we have given name as fourth equation. And then see the next second and third given equation. See the y term, because here we have eliminated the y variable y. So the same variable you have to eliminate using the next other pair. Okay, so second and third, you have to select second and third. See that y variable, here it is minus y and it is minus 2y. So if we multiply the second equation by 2, we can able to get here minus 2y. Here also minus 2y. So while we subtract, we can able to eliminate the same variable y. Okay, so that first you have to multiply the second equation by 2. Means we can able to get here 2 into 2, 4x. Each and every term you have to multiply by 2. Okay, so 2 into 2x, 4x. 2 into minus y, minus 2y. 2 into z, 2z equal to 9 2s are 18. Then after that, third equation you have to write as it is. Then here minus 2y, here also minus 2y. So same sign is there. So that we have to subtract the equation. Then only we can change the sign. Then automatically it will be cancelled. We can eliminate the variable y. So here 4 minus, here plus is there. You have to change the sign as minus. Here minus, you have to change it as plus. Here plus is there. You have to change it as minus. And here also plus, it will be minus. Okay, to change it as minus. Okay, so now you have to add and subtract according to the sign of the coefficient. 4 minus here 1. There is no coefficient, means it is considered as 1. Okay, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3x. Here it will be cancelled. Minus 2y plus 2y will be cancelled. And plus 2 minus 3 is minus z equal to 18 minus 16 gives 2. So we have another one equation. 3x minus z equal to 2. This is fifth equation. Okay, now you have to compare this fourth equation and the fifth equation. See these two equations. Here it is 3x and here 2z and here minus z is there. Here also 3x and here also 3x. So we can eliminate easily this variable x while we subtract. So that here already we have written the fifth equation. So that below that you have to write the fourth equation as it is. 3x plus 2z equal to 14. Okay, here 3x and 3x same coefficient with the same sign. So that you have to subtract. Then only the sign will change. After that only we can cancel. We can eliminate the variable x. Okay. So first you have to subtract. We are going to subtract it. So you have to change the sign of the equation below the second equation. Minus. Here also plus is there. So we have to change it as minus. Here also plus. So you put minus. So now here you have to add. After change the sign, we can add the coefficient. Plus 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled. Okay. So we can eliminate the variable x. The next one is here minus 1 and minus 2. Two numbers minus 1 and minus 2. Here while we add the two numbers we have minus 3 and z. Minus 3 z equal to 2 minus 14 gives minus 12. From this here in between minus 3 and z multiplication is there. So z equal to minus 12. This minus 3 is in multiplication. While you transpose this minus 3 to the other side, it becomes division. So, z equal to minus 12 by minus 3. Minus minus will be cancelled. 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. So, z equal to 4. So, we have found the value of one variable z. Okay, you have to substitute this value in any one of the equation 4 and 5. Because then only these two equations 4 and 5 only having two variable. While we subtract this one, we can able to get the value of the next variable. So that you can select any one of the equation 4 or otherwise 5. Okay, here I have taken substitute the value z equal to 4 in fifth equation. Here because why I select this fifth equation. See here the coefficient is 3, here the coefficient is 2, but here we have 3, the coefficient is minus 1. So it will be here also when simply 2, it will be very easy to calculate. So that I have selected this fifth equation. So you have to write the fifth equation 3x minus z equal to 2. So 3x minus, you have to substitute the value of z in this place. So instead of z here I substitute 4 equal to 2. So 3x equal to this 2 you have to write as it is in the right side. Minus 4 you have to transpose to the other side, it becomes plus. So 3x equal to 6, say x equal to 6 by 3 because 3 is in multiplication, While you transpose, it becomes division. So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So the value of the variable x is 2. So we have found the value of the two variables. One is x, another one is z. So we have to substitute these two values of the variable in any one of the given three equations. Okay, so for that I select the first equation because the coefficient of the three variable is simply 1 on 1, so it will be very easy to calculate. So that I will select this. So first here substitute that x equal to 2, z equal to 4 in first equation. So you have to write the first equation here. Then you have to substitute the value of x. Instead of x, you have to write 2. Then we don't know the value of y, so you have to write as it is, plus z value already we have found, that is 4. You have to substitute here equal to 5. So here numbers, you have to add the numbers. 4 plus 2 is 6. So y plus 6, it is in the left hand side. Right hand side is 5 is there. So y equal to right hand side 5. You have to write as it is, plus 6 in your left hand side. You have to transpose to the other side. It becomes minus 6. So 5 minus 6 gives minus 1. That is the value of y. So now we have found the values of the given three variables x, y and z. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 4. Okay, now we have found it. After that, here we can check whether we have found is correct or not. For that, you have to take any one of the given three variable and you have to substitute the value of the left hand side of the variable here. Then if you get the right hand side value, then our answer will be correct. Okay, like that you can check it. So here for that I will choose the first equation. Left hand side is x plus y plus z. So you have to write that left hand side. Left hand side, instead of x 2, instead of y minus 1, instead of z plus 4. So which is equal to, here plus term, I will add the plus term first, 6 and minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5, which is given in the right hand side in the given equation. So what we have found is correct. Like this we can check the answer. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.